Oh, hey guys. Yeah, it's been a while. Sorry about that. I was waiting for someone to respond to my April Fool's joke, but only one person really cared, so you've been punished. Punished with no video. You didn't get to see this face, these shining yellow teeth. Yeah, that was a punishment. So, listen up here. There was a wrestling event last night, NXT TakeOver New York. And
well, we don't have a dishwasher.
Where?
We don't have one tonight.
Sorry about that, always getting interrupted during these videos. There's that for you. Anyways, NXT TakeOver New York. Go check it out. A couple 5-star matches. Brought a tear to my eye. It's a great show. Go check it out. And I'll be back for WrestleMania to let you know how I feel. Because, it's going to be 12 hours.